Hello, everybody. Make sure you are on your Grants Pass School District website. We are going to show you how to set up a study hall for yourself and how you can request a teacher. So you need to be on the district website. You can be on Grants Pass High School, or the district website will work. One of these ways you can get to the Power School itself is by selecting students, scrolling down, almost all the way down to the bottom to Power School. For myself, this information does pop up immediately. For many of you, it will as well. But please put in your information. You can pause me and enter that stuff down. All right, so once your information is in, please press sign in. You'll go to your main site where you have all of your information for your classes and your grades and when you attended. Please look over on the left side where it says study hall. It's a little timer. You're going to click on that and you will be directed to your study hall. Now, for some of you, we are still working on getting more information in here, but this is the overall layout. You can select, say, intramurals with Mr. Houston. He sets that up every couple of weeks. And all you have to do is once you select on that, you can click this button and it will pop up for you. Now, you can actually type in a comment like, I would like to do basketball, and you can select the next bottom and it will actually give you the comments. Now, one thing that you do need to know, you will get overridden by a teacher. So this is not a guaranteed situation just by selecting on this stuff. You will get overridden when it comes to those teachers. But you can select the teacher from here, library, make comments if you like, and select. Thank you.